Today, we're embarking on a breathtaking journey through the Shenandoah Valley, Virginia, where breathtaking vistas, outdoor adventures, and rich history come together to create an unforgettable experience. Our journey begins in Shenandoah National Park, home to over 500 miles of hiking trails, each leading to unique, jaw-dropping views. As you drive along the iconic Skyline Drive, keep your eyes peeled for the diverse wildlife that calls this park home, from black bears to deer and countless bird species. No visit to Shenandoah is complete without a stop at Luray Caverns. Step into the subterranean world of colossal stalactites and stalagmites, where the caverns seem to come alive with stories of Earth's history. Experience the charm of Shenandoah's small towns. From the quaint streets of Staunton to the bustling farmers' markets in Harrisonburg, you'll find the warmth of Southern hospitality on every corner. Shenandoah's history is etched in its landscapes and architecture. Tour Monticello, Thomas Jefferson's stunning plantation, and dive into the rich legacy of the founding fathers. For a taste of the region, savor farm-to-table dining experiences. Shenandoah Valley is a culinary gem, with fresh produce, local wines, and artisanal creations to satisfy your palate. Outdoor enthusiasts, rejoice. Whether it's kayaking on the Shenandoah River, horseback riding in the Blue Ridge Mountains, or cycling along scenic byways, this valley offers endless adventures. As the day ends, Shenandoah Valley paints a masterpiece in the sky with stunning sunsets. Witness the magical transformation of the landscape as the sun dips below the horizon. From the heights of Shenandoah National Park to the depths of Luray Caverns, from history-rich towns to culinary delights, Shenandoah Valley, Virginia offers a captivating experience for every traveler. Come and explore this incredible valley and create memories that will last a lifetime. Shenandoah Valley, where nature, history, and adventure meet. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Shenandoah Valley.